This is just a quick little video showing the Acuity AR200-6 using our touch panel, and we've got it set up where we're going to show you how we do a quick calibration. Here you can see that we're within, this has a 0 to 250 thousandths range, and what we're going to do is we're just going to give it an auto 0 on this black granite stage, and this stage is probably accurate to, it's been polished to about 5 microns. As you can see, we are zeroing it out. We're getting a pretty good stable number. It's moving a couple, what's that, about plus or minus 10 millionths. And so I'm putting in a 1 millimeter white Sarah Mitutoyo gauge block. It's reading 40 thousandths, 40.2. The real number should be 39.37. So we're off about half a thousandths, and that's because we have induced a small cosine error. And so typically the way I would usually try to correct this, I would first do a quick 2-point calibration, and we have that set up in our little touch panel where we would do just a quick 2-point cal. And so it says there's the number, that's the base material we're going to put in the gauge block. And let me just tap this down a little bit to get all the air out of it. And then we know this is 0.03937. So we've just done a quick 2-point calibration, and let's go back. We're saving the settings. We're going to put in a 0. We've now zeroed it out, and let's see if we can get a little bit more accuracy out of it. So now here we're about within 2 10,000ths. We're within about a micron, well better than our spec, and that's just doing a quick 2-point calibration. Once again, going back to 0. It is also possible to set up an offset where we would simply add in a 03937, right, to the number. So we would create another 0, would add in that number, and it would force it to this exact number to help compensate for any temperature, pressure, humidity changes. And so at the start of every shift, the operator would typically put the gauge block in, do the quick 2-point cal with the offset, and it would correct for this last 2 to 3 tenths of a thousandths, and which is a lot of just mechanical creep and mechanical movement of the fixturing.